This is the Grohe Essence Basin Tap with EcoJoy water-saving function. Its regular height spout fits all standard basins, and you'll find it both easy to operate and comfortable to use. With Grohe's Silk Move technology, this premium tap ensures effortless lever operation even after years of use. The Grohe EcoJoy aerator reduces your water consumption, cutting your utility bill and conserving the environment, without compromising on performance. Consisting of fewer parts, our new Grohe Quick Fix Plus system makes the installation process quicker and easier than ever. This product also comes with Grohe's Starlight, which provides a scratch-resistant shiny chrome finish. Grohe has tested over 3,000 combinations of wash basins and taps. Find your perfect combination. Products for the wash basin are available with spouts in different lengths and heights, and you can choose between a version with a smooth body or a convenient pop-up waist. Enduring quality, leading technology, outstanding design and environmental responsibility. This is what Grohe stands for. Grohe Essence. Contemporary design characterized by cylindrical shapes combined with state-of-the-art technology.